What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and I'm sharing pumpkin baked oatmeal today. And I'm one of those people who loves oatmeal, but when it comes to baked oatmeal, oh my goodness, the texture is just so amazing. You'll absolutely love it. I promise. If you don't like oatmeal, you are gonna love this recipe. I start with some pureed pumpkin. You don't want pumpkin pie filling. You want actual pumpkin, some milk, vanilla extract, along with some eggs. And then I have my rolled oats, some sweetener, chocolate chips, cinnamon here, along with baking powder and a little bit of salt. And so we're gonna first combine our dry ingredients. And so I'm gonna add the oats and the sweetener and the cinnamon, the baking powder, all of that. So combine your dry ingredients in one bowl and give everything a mix. And then the wet ingredients go into a different bowl. Using actual pumpkin here instead of pumpkin pie filling because it's gonna be way too sweet and it's not gonna taste the way I want it to taste. So once that pumpkin gets added, you can add in the rest of the wet ingredients and then give everything a mix until it's fully combined. Then we're gonna add our dry ingredients in here. Give it a stir until everything is incorporated. And I like to add chocolate chips here as well. These are completely optional, but you just fold in these chocolate chips at the end. Then once everything is combined, you can add the mixture to your baking dish. I'm using a 10-inch cast iron skillet here. You can also use a 9x13-inch baking dish or an 8x8 baking dish. This is gonna bake in a 350-degree oven for anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. This normally takes me maybe 38 minutes to bake. You want to check to see that a toothpick returns clean and everything has fully set. And there you have it. This is a great way to enjoy oatmeal. I promise you, oatmeal haters will even love it.